Hey guys, it's Jaden. Today I'm going to share with you guys a smoothie I've been making a lot lately. It's got tons of different superfoods that I put in there, and it's actually really easy. Once you get all the ingredients, you just throw in the blender and you're ready to go. So I just want to go through superfoods. So I try to get the fruit that's in season right now. I just throw usually a banana and some kind of frozen fruit or whatever that's in season. I use half water, half milk of choice. I don't drink cow milk, but you could do cow milk, you could do soy milk, almond, whatever. Just some kind of liquid and some kind of creamy liquid to make it smooth. Let's just go over all the superfoods that I put in there because that's like the most important part. So first I put nettle leaves in it, and these are actually real leaves that's just dried and grounded up. This is very good for energy. It's antihistamine. If your allergies are draining you of energy when you're trying to recover from adrenal fatigue or hormonal imbalance, that could set you back. So I take a lot of this, and it's just natural. It's like food. So this is really good. I get the organic whole leaves dried and just grounded up. It's actually real nettle leaves inside. Cordyceps. These are a type of medicinal mushrooms that's got a lot of good nutrients for energy. It helps your body produce ATP. It's very good for your heart and your lungs as well. So I put this herb, it's called, there's two names. So I think the Chinese name, it's pronounced Ho Shu Wu, I think, but it's spelled He Shou Wu. It's a very good herb to put into your smoothies and take when you're trying to recover from adrenal fatigue or any kind of fatigue. I found it to be very helpful with my energy when I'm trying to recover. It's very relaxing. I feel like a sense of calm when I take this, and it helps me with stress regulation as well. I put bamboo extract in there. It's known to benefit your hair, skin, and nails, which means it's just good for your overall health, because if your hair, skin, and nail is growing really nice and luscious, that means the rest of your body is really healthy. So I put some of that in there. MSM powder. It's sulfur. It's good for joint lubrication and your skin, nails as well. And it's also very good for your eyes. Studies done on helping with eye floaters to take MSM. Romania, another herb that is good for energy and stress management. Okay, this one is called Go to Cola, and it's another herb. It's ground up in a powder, and it's good for metabolizing your body fat. All right, so I've been really into goji berries because I've had a lot of issues with my eye from the adrenal fatigue and health anxiety, and so I would just get these weird eye symptoms for a while. It was really bad for a while, so I did some research. It's good for so many different things, but it's especially good for your eye health. So it's got a lot of high vitamin A and all kinds of other good stuff in it. I put this in my smoothies very regularly, and it seemed to be really helpful for my eyes. A few months ago I had this, or maybe it was like a month ago, I had this eye fatigue from looking at the computer too much, and it was really bad to where I couldn't open my eyes, and I couldn't focus, and I was getting like really bad headaches all the time. This really helped a lot. I also put a scoopful of collagen protein. And I also add some organic raw honey. I went ahead and just threw everything in there. I ended up using banana, frozen blueberries, and some really, really good fresh nectarines that I got. They were so freaking good. Threw some ice in there and some water, and soy milk is what I used, and all the ingredients that I showed you guys previously. So I just throw them all in the blender, and yeah, we'll blend it up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So guys, it's done. Looks like this, so pretty. And it's got all that good stuff in it. So I drink this like sometimes twice a day. I just vary the fruit. Give it a try. I think a lot of those things that I mentioned really do help with my recovery. Again, I'm not a doctor. I'm not trying to prescribe you or this isn't any form of therapy. That's just my disclaimer. But I did use a lot of natural stuff to help me recover from adrenal fatigue and my really horrible, intense health crash. I just thought I'd share this recipe. A lot of you guys are asking for more self-care recipes, videos. I just thought I'd start out with a smoothie recipe that I find it very, very good. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy it. Give me a like if you like my videos so that I know what videos you guys are liking. Please help me grow my channel more by subscribing. Yeah, you hear my dog running in the background. I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.